Hi, I'm Dave, welcome to the channel, and welcome to What's in a Box Wednesday, episode 13. Right, here we are, here's a box, sent to me by Pendle Slot Racing. I have to say, as always, you order something from Pendle and it turns up in 24 hours, and it's always brilliantly packaged, so thanks Pendle. They don't ever send you any sweets though, just saying. So obviously it's a slot car, look at the size and shape of the box. A flyer in here for UK Slot Festival next year, and UK Winter Slot Car Market, which is in about a month's time at time of recording this. Bubble wrap, big bubble wrap. Yeah, go on then. That'll do. Right, let's get to the main event. So there we are. Look, 404, slot car not found. So as you will have guessed by now, it is of course the new, incredibly green Revoslot Opel Kadett GTE. I mean, it is incredibly green. There's the magnet in the Deepwood Guide. We'll get to that in another video.
I hold here in my mortal hand a nugget of purest green.
And it really is the purest green. Everything about this car is green. And I thought, this has got to be some kind of fantasy livery, but it's not. This car is driven by a man called Christoph Schwalen, who I think is a Swiss driver, and it's not even a historic livery. This is a car from now. This guy campaigns it in time attacks and hill climbs, and I've seen some videos on YouTube. He does know how to drive it, and it really is this green in real life as well. Great news for us old guys, you're not going to lose that one on the track, are you? Very standard Revo slot underneath. In fact, it's exactly the same chassis as the earlier edition Opel Kadett. Sometimes they make some little changes on the fronts to make the body shells fit differently if they get different spoilers, but not this one. And as I say, it's very green. Even the lightweight interior is made of green plastic. And that's because the inside of his car is that green everywhere. I don't know how he drives it, but he does very well. The usual Revo slot goodness inside. And actually I think on this one, even the gear mesh is set pretty well. So there we are. That is what's in the box this week. We'll have another look at this in the next video. As always, thanks for watching one of my videos. If you liked it, you'll find a button specifically for that. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't, it does all help. And if you hit the bell, you'll get a notification the next time I post a video, which will be this one.